So you may be having an issue with your iPhone, or for some reason, the phone numbers that you have associated with your iPhone person, maybe they just aren't showing up on your specific device. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The first thing that I would recommend doing is making sure that the phone number is even associated with that specific contact. Meaning, if you went ahead and you typed in a specific user just like so, and if you only typed in the email just like this, well, that may mean that they don't have a phone number associated. So you may have just actually added them via an email like this instead of a phone number. So you want to make sure you even put a phone number in there in the first place like this. If you put in a phone number, then they should end up showing up. If that ends up not being the case, you may just want to double check you didn't just have their email in general, and that may end up, fixing it. Now, another thing that you may have to do is restart your iPhone. So go and hold down the specific, up, down, whatever so you want to go ahead and restart your iPhone, the volume up button and the power button at the same time. And you want to go ahead and slide the power off. Then you want to go and power on your iPhone again. And that may actually end up fixing the situation as well. Now, another thing you may have to do is just resync your specific account with iCloud. So you can do this by making your way over to your iPhone settings. You want to click into your little option up there. You want to click iCloud. And you want to go ahead and find the little phone option. If it shows like any phone or anything like that, you want to go ahead and enable it, as well as the contacts. So you want to go ahead and enable contacts. So then that will probably end up fixing it for you as well. If that still doesn't fix it, I'd recommend scrolling down, clicking on general, clicking on software update, and just seeing if you have an update available for your iPhone. Majority of the time, this is probably all you have to do to fix it. If it's still not working, you may want to just re-add and manually bring in those contacts by doing an iCloud backup and restore, something like that, and that may end up fixing it for you as well. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.